Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Up podcast, your calm space to learn and speak real English. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma, and hello to our amazing listeners. It's so good to be here today. How are you, Emma?
I'm great, thanks. How about you, David? How are you doing?
I'm doing great, too. I had coffee, maybe too much coffee, so I'm ready to talk in English, of course.
Perfect, because today's topic is all about speaking. Many of you say, I understand English, but I can't speak. So today we'll help you fix that.
Yes, and if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps, and you'll never miss a new episode.
So, David, let me ask you, can you understand French?
A little. I understand some words, but I can't speak it well.
Exactly. That's how many of our listeners feel with English. They understand, but speaking is difficult.
Yes, and you know what? That's normal. It happens to many people. Listening is passive, but speaking, that's active. It needs more practice.
That's a great point. So today we'll give you 7 tips, 7 small things to help you finally speak English with more confidence.
And don't worry, we'll explain everything slowly with easy examples. No stress.
Our first tip is simple. Speak even if it's not perfect. Don't wait until your English is good. Just start.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. When babies learn to speak, they make a lot of mistakes, and that's okay.
Exactly. If you say, he go to school, it's okay. It's better to speak with mistakes than to say nothing.
Yes, silence doesn't help you improve. Speaking, even wrong, helps your brain connect the words.
So say the sentence. Try. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Here's an example. Let's say you want to talk about your day. You can just say, I wake up, I drink coffee, I go work. Not perfect, but we understand you.
And after some time, your brain will fix it. You'll start saying, I wake up, I drink coffee, I go to work. Progress, not perfection.
Tip number 2 is powerful. Try to think in English.
Yes, don't translate everything in your head. If you think in your native language and then translate, it's slow.
And sometimes the translation is wrong. So instead, try to learn small phrases and use them directly.
Like, I'm hungry, or I don't know. Short phrases you don't have to translate. They just come naturally.
I remember when I was learning Spanish, I always translated, but then I started thinking directly in Spanish, and it helped a lot.
Great. So practice thinking simple thoughts in English. I'm tired. It's hot today. I want pizza. No translation. Just feel the words.
Tip number 3. Use short, real-life phrases. Don't try to speak like a textbook.
Yes, you don't need long, complex sentences. Real English is simple.
For example, in a cafe, you can say, Hi, can I have a coffee, please? Or at work, Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you say that again?
These are real phrases. Use them every day. Repeat them. Make them part of your life.
It's like a toolbox. You collect phrases you need and use them when you need them.
Exactly. And when you hear native speakers use those same phrases, it feels great.
Tip number 4 is funny, but it works. Talk to yourself.
Yes, talk to yourself in English, out loud or in your mind.
Say things like, I'm going to the kitchen. Where are my keys? I have to leave at 8.
These small sentences help you train your brain. You make English part of your thinking.
And no one is listening, so you can make mistakes. No pressure.
I used to do that in French. I walked around my apartment saying, Je veux du café. Où est mon téléphone? It helped me so much.
Wait, what do those mean?
Oh, je veux du café means I want some coffee. And où est mon téléphone is where is my phone?
Ah, got it. Simple, useful phrases just like we use in English. Okay, now let's do a quick review. So far, we shared 4 powerful tips.
Yes, number 1. Speak even if it's not perfect. Number 2, think in English, not in your language. Number 3, use short, real-life phrases. Number 4, talk to yourself in English.
These are simple, but they really help. Use them today. Don't wait.
Absolutely, and we still have 3 more great tips coming in the next part.
Yes, one of them is my favorite, and I think it will surprise you.
Let's see how the conversation continues.
So, we shared 4 simple and powerful tips to help you speak more English. Now, let's continue.
Yes, because speaking English is like a door, and these tips are the keys to open it. Tip number 5 is one of my favorites.
Tip number 5. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. It may feel strange at first, but it really helps.
Yes, when you speak in front of a mirror, you can see yourself. You watch your mouth, your face, your body language.
It's like talking to another person, but it's you, and that makes it less scary.
You can practice simple conversations. For example, look in the mirror and say, Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. I had a nice breakfast.
Oh, really? What did you eat?
Exactly. Make a little story. Answer your own questions. Have fun with it.
Also, smile. When you smile while speaking, you feel more confident. Your voice sounds better too.
Now, tip number 6. It's a classic, but it works. Listen and repeat, like music.
Yes, think about your favorite songs. You listen and then you sing along. Do the same with English.
Choose short audio clips, maybe from this podcast. Listen to a sentence, then pause and say it out loud.
For example, I'm going to the store. Now you say it.
I'm going to the store.
Easy, right? You're not translating. You're copying the sound, the music, the rhythm of English.
And when you do it again and again, you start to speak naturally, like a song you love.
This helped me so much when I was learning Italian. I would walk and repeat, Dove vai? Where are you going? Sto andando al lavoro. I'm going to work.
That's the idea. Repeat small phrases, make them part of your daily routine. Now, tip number 7, the final and maybe most important tip, speak with people.
Yes, talk to friends, classmates, language partners, anyone, even if it's just one sentence.
Don't wait for a long conversation. Start small. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Even 1 minute of real conversation helps more than 1 hour of reading.
And you don't have to be fluent. Just start. People are usually kind. They want to help.
Yes. One time I met a man from Brazil who only said, "My English, not good, but I try." And I said, "Amazing! Let's talk."
That's so true. People love when you try. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be brave.
Let's try some daily situations. I'll say the situation, and you say something in English.
Great idea. Listeners, you can say it out loud too. Let's go. You're at the supermarket. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the milk?"
You're on the phone. You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
You take a taxi. You can say, "Can you take me to the train station, please?"
You're in a cafe. You can say, "A coffee, please. No sugar."
Every small sentence is practice. Real life equals real English.
Let's repeat some of the useful phrases we learned today, just to help you remember them.
Sure, here are a few. I'm good. I had a nice breakfast. Where is the milk? Can you say that again? Can you take me to the station? A coffee, please.
These are phrases you can use anywhere. Practice them every day. Say them in the mirror. Repeat them in your head.
And soon they will become natural, like brushing your teeth, automatic.
Oh, and a bonus tip, just for you. Don't be afraid to pause.
Yes, it's okay to stop for a second and think. Native speakers do that too.
You can say, let me think. Or you can say, how do you say?
These are useful. They give you time to think and stay in the conversation.
Don't feel bad for pausing. It shows you are thinking carefully. That's a good thing.
So, let's review our final 3 tips.
Number 5, practice with a mirror.
Number 6, listen and repeat like music.
Number 7, speak with people, even a little.
And don't forget the bonus, it's okay to pause, just stay in the conversation.
These small steps will help you speak English more easily and with more confidence.
And we still have something special for you in the next part, a fun speaking challenge.
Ooh, that sounds exciting. Let's see what David has planned.
Now we're going to help you put it all together. It's time to speak.
And don't worry, this is not a test. It's your space to relax and practice. Take your time, no pressure.
Right. Speaking English can feel scary at first, but the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Exactly. So let's make today your first big speaking moment. Just say one sentence. That's it.
Okay, here's a small speaking challenge. We'll say a situation, and you say one simple sentence in English.
Don't translate word by word. Just use what you know. Keep it short and natural. Are you ready?
Let's begin. 1. You wake up and want coffee. What do you say?
Maybe I need coffee. Or I'm still sleepy.
Perfect. That's real, useful English. 2. You're getting dressed and looking for your shoes.
You can say, "Where are my shoes?" Or even, "I can't find them."
Great! These are everyday phrases. Use them often. 3. You're in the kitchen. You want breakfast.
Say, "I'm hungry." Or, "I want eggs and toast."
4. You see your neighbor in the elevator.
Say, "Good morning." Or, "How are you today?"
Easy and polite. Just 2 or 3 words can start a conversation.
Now let's give our listeners more examples they can use every day. I'll say a situation, and you give the phrase.
At the supermarket.
Where is the bread? Or I need milk.
At the bus stop.
What time is the next bus? Or is this going to the city center?
At work.
Can you help me, please? Sorry, I didn't understand.
Talking to a friend.
How was your day? Or let's meet tomorrow.
These phrases are short, real, and full of power. They make you part of the conversation.
Sometimes we also want to talk about how we feel. Let's practice that.
Yes, here are some emotional phrases. Try to say them with feeling.
I'm so happy today. I feel tired. I'm a little angry. I'm nervous. I love this song.
You don't just learn the words, you feel them. That's what makes your English real.
Here's a fun idea. Try saying one positive sentence to yourself in English every day.
It can be about your goals, your mood, or just something nice. Like,
I'm learning. I'm growing. I can speak English. Today is a good day. I believe in myself.
when you speak kindly to yourself, you feel stronger, and your English gets stronger too.
Let's review everything we learned in this episode. David, do you want to go through the 7 tips?
Of course. 1. Speak even if it's not perfect. 2. Think in English, not in your language. 3. Use short, real-life phrases. 4. Talk to yourself. 5. Practice with a mirror. 6. Listen and repeat, like music. 7. Speak with people, even just a little.
And don't forget our bonus tip. It's okay to pause. Take your time when speaking. It's natural.
Plus, we practiced many real-life sentences today, from your morning routine to emotions and social situations.
The more you listen, the more you speak, the more you grow.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes. What is one sentence you can say in English today?
It can be about your morning, your job, or how you feel right now.
Here are a few examples to help you. I'm learning English. I had eggs for breakfast. I feel happy today. I listened to this podcast. I want to improve my English.
Choose one. Type it in the comments. It's your first step towards speaking more.
And if you want to write more than one sentence, go for it. We'll read every comment. Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave.
You already understand English. That's amazing. Now it's time to use your voice.
Even small steps are powerful. Say good morning. Ask for coffee. Repeat your favorite phrase.
Mistakes? Don't worry. Mistakes are part of the process. They show that you're learning.
You're not alone. We're here every step of the way.
And we're so proud of you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps us grow and helps others learn English too.
And tell a friend. Invite them to listen and practice with you.
We'll be back soon with more slow, real, and helpful English, just for you.
Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep going.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.